Hopsalot the rabbit was happy. He could hardly wait to meet his friends and try his new trick. He could count to 10. Drip, drip, drip.
Oh no!
Cried Hopsalot.
We can't play outside in the rain.
Hopsalot tapped his foot.
I know.
He said,
I'll have a party and count to 10 right here.
Eleanor came first. She brought a book.
Hi, Hopsalot.
Great!
Said Hopsalot.
I count 1 book.
Pierre came next.
Hello, Hopsalot. I love puddles.
He said.
Me too.
Said Hopsalot.
I count 2 puddles.
Casey followed on his hands.
Hey, guys!
Silly cat.
Hopsalot laughed.
I count 3 red balls. I count 4 green balls.
Frankie came next, and he brought his lunch.
Hiya, Hops. 5 bones.
Said Hops. CJ and Edison followed Frankie.
Greetings, Hopsalot. Hello there, Hops. 6 emeralds.
Hopsalot said.
7 pencils.
Kisha came last.
Hi, Hopsalot. I brought the paintbrushes and the buckets of paint.
8 paintbrushes. 9 buckets of paint.
Everyone looked outside.
I hate it when there's nothing to do inside on a rainy day. Rain, rain, go away.
Kisha sang.
Come again some other day. The JumpStart gang wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
That gave Hopsalot an idea.
Let's paint a sunny day.
He shouted.
Great idea, Hopsalot! Come on! Let's all paint a sunny day, sweeping the clouds away.
And that's just what they did.
This is going to be one great sunny day picture.
Everyone was happy, but Kisha said,
Something is missing. What's missing, Kisha?
Look!
Edison shouted. The rain had stopped. A rainbow was shining in the sky.
Now I know what's missing.
Said Kisha.
A beautiful rainbow.
Oh yeah, a rainbow.
Look, now it's a sunny day inside and outside.
Kisha said.
This rocks.
Playing together is fun.
Said Hopsalot. Then he ran outside and jumped in a big puddle.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 drops.
Hops shouted.
Great job, Hopsalot.
Cried the gang.
You can count to 10.
Counting is fun in the rain or sun.